What's up guys, and in today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing once again, and the unboxing is going to be the Pewdiepie Escape keycap, and I thought it was cool, so I got it, and it was limited, only to about like 5,000 people could get it, and I was able to get 2. I got 2. I decided to do a giveaway. So I'll tell you guys the giveaway rules in a little bit at the end of this video, and let's just get started with unboxing the Pewdiepie Escape keycap. Bobby D2 keycap got delivered by UPS, and this is the bag that it came in. And then there's 2 boxes in here. I haven't seen the boxes. And now we're gonna open it. So just like this is regular bag. And now I'm gonna take out the, oh, that's cool. So this is one. This is the box it comes in. Oh, it's upside down. This is the box. Bro fist on the top, surrounded with a cardboard Pewdiepie design. Top of the box. Well, I think this is actually how it's supposed to be. Yeah, there you go. And right here, it says Pewds. Right there. And then it also says on the bottom, it says Bro Fist Escape Keycap Collectibles. And now there is only 5,000 of these. And I was able to get 2. And now let's open it the way it needs to be. Take this off. And now here it is. That's the keycap. Now let's open the case. Even better look at it, sort of. Yep. Okay, I turned on the light for it to get a better look. And that's it. Pewds keycap. And this is the escape keycap, so it goes on the escape top left of your keyboard. And it goes right there. Now I think the case is pretty cool. This is the regular case all around it. Now the keycap is one of the plus keycaps on the bottom side, right there, and it goes here's the side. I think it's cool that the Bro Fist is just punching out, because it's a clear one right here. Bottom again, and then here's it back in the case. Case again, and the Bro Fist once again, all the sides around, bottom, Pewds Escape keycap, limited edition, and that's the keycap right there. And now time to talk about the giveaway on the keycaps. So I'm gonna be giving away this one that I have right here, and you know I'm gonna put this one on the side, but I'm gonna be giving away that keycap for in the future for you guys to get. And now the rules for the giveaway is, the giveaway rules: to win one of these, you have to subscribe, and then you also have to follow my Instagram, which is 2 easy free things that you could do to help support me, and you could possibly get one of these keycaps. And to go to my Instagram, all you have to do is go to the link in the description, and also in the About Me on my YouTube page also, and it's easy, it's free, and you could also possibly get one of these. Also, another thing is, these keycaps are sold out, and if you could get something that's sold out by just subscribing and following me on my Instagram, and I'll be checking everybody that subscribing is, I will be only doing the giveaway after I hit 1,000 subscribers. So subscribing will get me faster to my goal and helping you guys get one of these. Guys, that's the end of this video. This is a cool unboxing of the Pewdiepie Escape keycap right here. And yeah, that's all I just wanted to tell you guys. If you guys want to enter in, go enter it. And if you want to enter, go ahead and go do that. And you have a chance of winning the Pewdiepie keycap here. And yeah. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Also, thank you guys for all the subscribers support recently. And I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Bye.